Alright, it's a really nice day out. We decided we would go kayaking. So here's Silas with his little boat trailer. And I'm renting a kayak. And we're gonna go out there. Si's setting up his boat. He's gotta put his pedals in.
Alright, we are kayaking in the ocean. It's a beautiful day. I know I say that a lot, but it's absolutely gorgeous out. We're in the bay, got some fishing poles, gonna see if maybe we can do a little fishing today, see what happens. Holy cow, it's so nice out. Got all these little kelp beds. Some of the water's really clear. There's JC. Awesome.
Super clear. I really like the kelp. It's interesting. It's just big. So there's the otters. We're supposed to stay 5 boat lengths away. They are protected. They're just all floating out there. I think we're further than 5 boat lengths. So I think I'm gonna go a little closer.
There's JC.
Very, very, very nice, pretty day out. There's Silas over there. All right, we got sun mode activated. The visor's on. So we can still get a little root touch up, but protect our face. It is St. Patty's Day, so we are having a beverage out here. It's very nice out. Feels like summertime. No blizzards for us. Thanks. All right, that is the big surf break or surf breaker? Surf break? Yeah, I don't really know my sea terms. But every now and then a big wave crashes over and it looks really cool. So you can get one. Oh man, here comes Si. It's like pretty hot out here. I really want to jump in the water. Si's got his cool little pedal boat, so he's like hands-free, just like non-stop calf raises to pedal. But it seems really nice versus the paddle. Right now and then a big wave comes over, but not while I'm trying to catch one. There's a bird. Apparently apparently this flat top rock over here is like a little island, so we're gonna go see if there's any fish near it for Si. You can kind of see at the end of this breaker thing, there's some waves out there. There's some, yeah. Anyways, it was just a super nice day out. Perfect day for this activity. There's no W or wind. I don't mind just saying the word wind. So I think it's superstitious. Wow, he is really just pedaling away. Okay, I gotta go catch up. So the lady said if we park our kayaks over on this furthest beach, then you can walk up this little path, and there's a lighthouse over there. So I might do that while Silas tries to fish. This also makes me think that we need another kayak so that we can put Jerry on the kayak and then take him over to this private beach. All right, so I just came over closer to this like rock breaker area, and you can tell the water is like way more choppy than the other videos. I guess I'm just like closer to the open ocean out here. It's literally like 20 degrees colder over here. It was very warm, still like hot beating sun over there. But over here, it's like very cool ocean breeze, which honestly feels super nice right now because it was getting very toasty. But yeah, I just went like 20 yards and it made a huge difference. Water's still super pretty. Silas thinks there's great whites out here. I mean, there probably are. I just personally haven't seen any. Here he comes. Go for it. Whoa. Strike a pose. Don't forget about your pedals. Ahoy, matey. Huh? Tell us all the things.
We live here. We
That's...
kayak past this.
No, that says Avila. We don't live in Avila.
Oh yeah, you're right. Never mind. We live by the dunes. We're like over here. We put in over here.
We put in over there. Show them the weird island. Which is the weird island?
This is the weird island. We're parked currently down here.
Parked.
Or down here.
Yeah, I think we're parked here.
These are the cool wave breaks we see.
Mm-hmm.
There's Ginger. This is Ginger. We were watching her while we were making this video.
The hike to the lighthouse had a lot of really pretty wildflowers. This is the famous California poppy. I just love that color orange. It is so pretty. Yeah, the whole hillside was just absolutely gorgeous. There were really awesome vista views the whole time, and it's just crazy to be looking out over the whole Pacific Ocean. It's just right there. I don't know. Being from Arizona just makes it really cool to just now be living by the ocean. Here is the Port of San Luis Lighthouse. Silas says that house is haunted. I think it's really pretty. It'd be crazy to get to be the person who just like lives on this hill in this lighthouse. This lighthouse is currently not actually the light beacon source anymore. They use a different, it's the same property, but the light doesn't come from this lighthouse. And then here I am pretending that I live here, and this is my flower garden. Just kidding, but this spot was very cool and kind of an unexpected and really neat stop on our kayak ride.
JC swinging in this huge eucalyptus tree by the beach. Enjoying herself, as you can tell. It's so pretty. Lighthouse is over there.
Okay, we're in the eucalyptus swing. I'm sorry if we all get a little motion sick right here. Oh gosh. Into the ocean. It was pretty fun. You, as the viewer, cannot see this, but there are otters in the ocean that I can watch. So that's cool. Okay, we're going too much. To compare and contrast, because Silas thinks he's going higher than I was.
Oh, way higher.
No. Here, hold on. He's scared. Get it. It's a very fun swing. Also, the eucalyptus smells very good. This is Pelican Island. 1 bajillion pelicans. This guy in the water. Just like a diving swoop. So I think he got a fish. Happy for him. My day job to be a videographer. Got it. I feel like they have like a little landing strip. Like they had to do that little swoop out approach to land on their rock. That's cool. Watchtower. It took me a long time and a lot of shouting by Silas for me to see the seal. Do you see the seal? I mean, yeah, there he is, but man, that guy is camoed. I think he's just looking. Just scouting it out. Hey, buddy. Well, the pelicans got up and flew away. It's all the birds that used to be over there. They're all gone. Now they're all. Of course, they got super
All got
windy
up.
on our way back, like white caps, hard to paddle in. So we made our way in and got some beers on the pier.